Hi everybody, I am Miss Morrow and I'm here to teach you about a one-point perspective landscape drawing. Today, that's what we'll be doing. So all you need is a white paper. You can use a pencil with an eraser or a marker, and I have some crayons. Alright, let's go. So, when drawing a landscape or knowing what a landscape is, you need to think about if it's an outdoor scene. So an outdoor scene would have a sky and a ground, or a sky and ocean, water, beach. Anything that shows land, that's a landscape. So the first thing you do when you draw a landscape is you are going to draw the ground line. That ground line, let's see, can be in the middle of the paper or above the middle of the paper. So this is a sideways horizontal line. We're going to call this the horizon line. Can you say horizon line? Horizon line. All right. So now, remember, the secret to drawing is knowing your lines, shapes, and letters. So we're going to make a point that's in the middle. That'll be our vanishing point. This will help guide us. Can you say vanishing point? Vanishing point. All right. We're going to draw a slanted diagonal line to the bottom corner of each side of the paper. I'm using my sketch lines, so they're a little messy, but they're searching lines. That's good for learning how to draw, because then you leave all your mistake lines there. Alrighty, and it can look like grass too. So we can put our little line for the road. Alright, now we're going to talk about what's on the horizon line. What do you see in the distance? Now, items that are further away get smaller. Items that are closer together get bigger. Right? We're going to talk about perspective. That's why this is 1 point perspective. This is the point, the vanishing point. All right, so we're going to draw a tree. And then further down the road, there's another tree. And another tree, but notice they're getting smaller. Alright, so now let's think, what is going to be on this horizon line? I'm going to draw some mountains. Let's overlap them by touching the side and drawing this triangular shape mountain. Put a little wavier zigzag line in the middle. The snow up top. Alright, maybe you have the sun up here. Maybe you have clouds and a bird or birds. Alright, so imagine that your friend was visiting you, right? And they got in the car to leave and they're driving away and you're standing there outside watching the car drive away, waving. Will the car get smaller or bigger? The further it gets smaller. That's what 1 point perspective helps you to understand. If you're right there in front of a mountain and you want to take a picture, you can't see all of it. But if you're farther away, you can see all of it. So drawing a 1 point perspective landscape is a great way to show things that are much larger, to see the whole shape of it. Alright, we can also do a cityscape. I'm going to do one with a cityscape coming up next. But I will go ahead and stop this lesson. If you want to add color, you can add crayons to it. So this is just a quick landscape. More so, it's a rural area. You don't see a lot of buildings. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Tune in later. Bye. And don't forget, you can color it also. Bye.